Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatagan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo na dyan at may kapasiksik tiglig na umapa o manubalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, umpisa na natin ang laban for the sign of Leo. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Leo signs. And of course, there's the lovers. Ooh. There's a divine love dito, no? And there's a deep soul connection. Some of you guys may tungkol about sa inyong partnership. And because there's a Knight of Cups, there's an apology, or there's a messages, an email, or something na there's an, kumbaga, sorry or something, o kumbaga nagkaroon talaga ng problema sa inyo siguro ng person mo, pero suddenly magkakaroon kayo ng unions. And of course, there is Seven of Wands, protect your power, protect your energy. And of course, additional messages. There's a Ten of Wands, no? Kumbaga, protection mo yung sarili mo, no? Laban dito sa burden na to. Sa lahat ng mga responsibilities, obligations, and burden. Additional messages. And because there's a temperance, a perfect timing. So, some of you, there's a healing. Magkakaroon ka daw ng healing dito. At magkakaroon ka ng control. At the same time, there's a judgment call. There's an awakening or wake-up call, no? Kumbaga, there's a miracle. And of course, there's an information na meron paalala sa'yo ang ating divine, no? Kumbaga, there's a perfect timing or something na kailangan mong kumalma. So, what is the lovers? What is the lovers? The lovers is a Nine of Wands. So, ibig sabihin, there's a King of Wands. So, the King of Wands represent a control. And of course, natural leader or something, a charm. So, some of you guys, kumbaga kontrolado ng inyong relationship, no? Kumbaga nagkakaroon ng give and take. And of course, there is a Four of Pentacles. Kumbaga, there is a blossoming abundance with, kumbaga, sinasabi dito lang, nakokontrol na, no? Kumbaga, nakokontrol na yung finances. Itong offer na to is, para sinasabi na mag-budget ka, mag-protection na may finances mo para mag-bloom siya, no? Kumbaga, magkaroon ng blossoming abundance. So, let's see what is the Seven of Wands. There's a Six of Pentacles. There's tuloy-tuloy na raw yung finances na papasok na or resource of income or something na magbibigay sa iyo ng giving or receiving something, no? Kumbaga, opportunities ba yan or information ba yan na makakatulong sa iyo para madagdagan yung income mo. So, what is the Ten of Wands? What is the Ten of Wands? There's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na matutupad na ngayon, no? Tapos na yung mga burden, tapos na yung responsibilities, tapos na yung stress, tapos na yung obligations or something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng bigat at kumbaga problema. So, what is the temperance? The temperance. So, there is a Nine of Wands, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito sa'yo na kumbaga, kailangan mo maging practical, no? Kumbaga, there's a healing pagdating sa finances. Magkakaroon ka ng healing about sa finances. And because there's a judgment and because the Ten of Swords, no? Mag-ingat ka raw. There's a wake-up call or there's an awakening for the Ten of Swords. Kumbaga, maraming mga traitor or there's a painful ending. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, natatapusin na yung mga traitor or manloloko or sinungaling behind your back. So, what is the lovers and the King of Wands? What is the lovers and the King of Wands? There's a Queen of Cups. There's a healing. Magkakaroon daw kayo ng healing at controlling yung emotions ng iyong person. So, what is the Knight of Cups? And of course, the Four of Pentacles. So, there's Four of Wands. So, there's a celebration. There's a twin flame energy na sinasabi dito, protection mo yung grounds mo. Protection mo kung ano man ang meron ka, no? There's an offer, an apology for a lifetime na, kumbaga, nagbigay sa inyo ng union or something na, kumbaga, pag-aayos nyo ng inyong person, no? Nagkaayos kayo o nagkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan at ngayon, kumbaga, nagkaroon kayo ng kaugnayan about sa finances na kailangan nyo magkaroon ng, kumbaga, heart to heart or, kumbaga, plano, no? So, what is the Seven of Wands and the Six of Pentacles? Okay, there is a Five of Cups, no? There is a regret, no? May sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo proteksyonan yung grounds mo about sa finances kasi there is a giving and receiving, no? Kumbaga, balance na kayo dito. And of course, sinasabi dito na kumbaga, may mga part na nangyari sa nakaraan nyo na hindi nyo na mababalik. So, ngayon dapat matuto na kayo na kailangan, kumbaga, give and take. Because there is a Ten of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and because the higher front, a lesson learned, no? Kumbaga, matuto ka na di lahat ng, kumbaga, responsibilidad ginagawa mong obligasyon, no? O hindi yung obligation yung ginagawa mo, responsibilidad, parang ganun. Yung pagtulong mo, kailangan, kumbaga, yung kaya mo lang, yung kung maluwag ka lang, no? Hindi yung, pinipilit mo yung sarili mo na mag-obliga sa gano'n na hindi mo naman kaya, no? What is the temperance and the Nine of Cups and of course the Nine of Pentacles and of course the Five of Pentacles? There's a Knight, the King of Swords. There's an information na sinasabi dito, maging wais ka. Maging matalino ka sa pagdidesisyon. Kasi kumbaga at the end of the time, magkakaroon ka ng financial loss dito kapag hindi ka naging practical. So maging matalino, maging practical at maging totoo ka sa sarili mo na stop pretending, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na or instances na pag hindi mo kaya, huwag ipilit. So, what is the judgment? And of course, the Ten of Swords. What is the judgment of the Ten of Swords? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's Nine of Wands, there's a slow and steady, no? Kailangan kalmado ka lang, no? Panatiliing kalmado. At panatiliing, kumbaga, yung decision mo ay, kailangan tuloy-tuloy kasi kailangan siya solid, no? At the same time kailangan mo mag-ingat, maraming backstabbing. Kailangan maging mahinahon sa pagbibitaw ng mga salita or information ng involved sa iyo or something kasi na madalas dito natatrader ka or nababackstab ka. And kasi ang outcome dito is Ten of the Tower moment. There's a sudden changes, no? Maraming mga bagay na para magbabago dito or awakening or destruction or sinasabi dito there's a disaster or chaos na may mga bigla ang masisira, may mga bigla ang mabubuo. Depende na lang sa sitwasyon, no? Kumbaga it's either yung relasyon nyo na nasira at nabuo ulit, no? And of course, sa pagdating naman sa finances, kumbaga nagkaroon ng bankruptcy at ngayon nakakabangon ka na. So it means there's an information na kumbaga nagbabago na yung sistema, nagbabago na yung yun ang nangyayari sa'yo, no? At least may pagbabago. At there's a higher path, dapat natuto ka na. There's an education para magkaroon ka ng wish fulfillment. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Let's see what is the Love Oracle card. There is a healing heart. See, some of you talaga magkakaroon ng healing dito, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, nandun na tayo sa parang nagkaroon ka na trust issues about sa relationship, pero kailangan mo palayain yung sarili mo from toxicities, no? So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's an addiction. Some of you parang there's an obsession, no? Baka may obsess sa person mo or obsess ka sa person mo or yung person mo obsess sa'yo. And of course, there's a kisses, unconditional love. Di ba? Ang pagmamahal yan nyo talaga, kumbaga, may giving and receiving talaga, no? Kumbaga, there's an equal. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. There's a contract commitment. May commitment talaga and there's an offer. My God, parang ano to parang apologies that brings you a union. And of course, now, nagkaroon ng temptation. Kaya natukso. No, kaya nagkaroon ng backstabbing kasi natukso tong tao na to. Or talagang binuyo, or tinukso, or talagang, parang nilapit ng mga toxic friends or something, toxic family, something na ganon. Parang nagkaroon ng temptation dahil dun sa mga toxic sa paligid. So, what is the chakra messages? What is the chakra messages? There's a soulmate connection. Some of you soulmate kayo, and of course, there's a vanity. So, umiwas ka sa mga walang kabuluhang bagay, no? Kapag alam mong hindi naman magsiserve sa'yo yan, at wala naman pagkukuha, kumbaga walang kahihinatnan tong bagay na to, or mag-iwas ka sa kaka-order ng kung ano-ano, ha? Because there's a perseverance, kailangan mo magtiyaga, no? Kung gusto mo makuha isang bagay, pagtiyagaan mo. So, let's see what is the energy. Let's see what is this energy. And of course, there is a goddess of the moon. No? Kumbaga, there is an information na sinasabi dito na kumbaga maraming katotohanan, there is a truth reveal. And of course, maraming mailalantad, no? And of course, there's a deceit, no? Meron dito mga kukulam. My God. Kaya pala, no? There's a something na parang nagkaroon ng betrayal and of course, deception. Baka ginayuma to kaya nagkaroon ng obsession and temptation, no? Maaari nga, ginayuma tong person mo. Let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages. There's a family. So, may family related talaga dito. No? Siguro, there's a toxic family. Because there's an infinite abundance. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng masagana dito. And of course, there's an animals. Some of you animal lover, no? Let's see what is Arcang High Raphael messages for you. What is Arcang High Raphael messages? Prayer works. So, yung pagdadasal mo, no? Huwag mong putulin yan. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung pagdarasal mo kasi tumatalab yung pagdarasal mo, no? Or some of you baka may ginagawa kayong healing sessions about sa pagbasag ng gayuma. Tumatalab daw, no? Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a school, lessons. Marami ka dapat dito natutunan. And of course, there's honest, trust, no? Magtiwala ka. And of course, there's a sun for illumination, God energy. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng clarity and of course, sa positivity and positive outcome. Let's see what is the Montology. What is this Montology? Expect the powerful change, no? Mag-expect ka daw na may pagbabago mangyayari dito, no? And of course, let's see what is additional messages. Let's see. There's a death energy. Ibig sabihin dito, there's an ending and a new beginning, a transformation. Bigla may bigla ang magbabago dito pagdating sa iyong relasyon, sa pag-ibig, sa pera, no? Kasi nga nalaman mo na there's something wrong, na may taong gumagawa behind your back, no? At sinasabi dito, do shall the love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with your soul, with all your mind. Ibig sabihin dito na kumbaga mahalin mo lang daw si God, no, ng nasa isip, sa salita at sa gawa, na with all your everything that you do, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, sa anumang ginagawa mo, sa anumang eksenang pinagkakabalan mo, gawin mo sentro palagi si God, no? Magsisilbi yan sa'yo, magbibigay sa'yo ng tagumpay at kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. Maliliwanagan ka raw dyan. So, let's see what is additional messages. Take your time making decision, no? Kailangan mo pag-isipan bago ka mag-desisyon. Hindi ka pwede maging pala decision daw. So, let's see. Eternal love. So, may hanggang wakas sa pag-ibig dito, no? Kumbaga, there's a soulmate connection and of course, there's an everlasting promises. And of course, your home is protected by angels. So, ibig sabihin, protektado naman daw ang inyong tahanan ng ating mga gabay. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 29. I am insightful, no? Kumbaga may mga pasilip sa'yo ang ating mga angel spirit. Let's see. You are highly intuitive and creativity. Your mind thinks in the features and you seem to draw the information and ideas from out of the sky. A powerful drive to know the oneness of all things. So, ibig sabihin dito, pinapasilip na sa'yo yung mga mangyayari. Parang visions siya, parang ganon. And insights nga, no? May pasilip sa'yo para makita mo yung mga mangyayari sa hinaharap or yung mga mangyayaring kasalok. Kumbaga, pagdating sa relasyon, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka na ng gut feeling and instinct, no? And of course, the messages of life is discovering. Marami ka mag-discover dito. So, sinasabi dito, today I release my old beliefs, convictions, and preconceived notion in their place. I seek new ideas, innovation, and endless possibilities. I am adaptable. I am able to see beyond my previous limitation and discover greater work inside me. So, ibig sabihin dito, marami ka madidiscover. Hindi lang sa paligid mo, kundi sa sarili mo. Na matutuklasan mo na about sa spirituality nyo, no? Kumbaga, kaya pala ganito, minamalas kami sa about sa finances, pati sa relasyon, nag-aaway-away ka. It's all about black magic involved, no? There's a deceit. Kumbaga, ngayon natuklasan mo na na kaya pala nangyayari sa iyo lahat ng to kasi meron taong gumagawa sa iyo ng hindi maganda. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Leo. Maraming salamat Leo for this wonderful reading and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!